Hello everyone, today we will talk about the taskbar icons. Here under where File Explorer, you can see here File Explorer and Store and Windows logo. Here we want to add some of our apps and any game or app. So very simple and easy way. You can hit click on window logo from your keyboard. Easy. This dialog box will appear. If you don't want to hit click on keyboard Windows button, you can simple click on Windows logo here at left bottom. You can see this dialog box. Under this arrow, you can see where is my cursor. Here you can click on the arrow. You will see all the apps is. We will go with Word. Here you can see Word. Right click on Word or any app you want to add on taskbar. I will zoom. You can see pin to taskbar. Right click this menu will, you can see pin to taskbar. Hit click on pin to taskbar and zoom out. You can see this dialog box by hit click on window logo on keyboard. Here we go. You can see window Word is now on our taskbar for easy shortcut or way. This here we go. Very easy method. You can do by your own. The main your apps and games. So thank you. If this video become useful, take care. Bye.